What's up, YouTube? And welcome to Travel Adventures with Eric B. And today we're on the Strip in Las Vegas. We're getting ready to get the party going, so let's go. I was told by security not to record any more of the gaming in the table, so that's the last bit you'll see of that. But I can still show the slots, but no gaming or tables at all, none. Like the real Rome, Caesar's Palace features a lot of statues, a lot of fountains, beautiful scenery. I love it here. Notice they love the Vegas Knights around here. Go Knights! And by the way, the Raiders are here now too, so they love them. Lamborghini, we all know that name and what that's synonymous with. Caesar is saying, welcome to my palace, folks. Yeah, I didn't find the Trevi Fountain this time like I did last time when I was in Caesar's Palace. But it's funny that the people at work here, when I ask them about the Trevi Fountain, they have no idea what the hell I'm talking about. And I'm like, man, it's the Trevi Fountain. This theater, you work in a building that's about Rome, the Trevi Fountain. They didn't even know what the Trevi Fountain was.
Sitting there with us. She thought she left him too. parking lot.
The first time I came to Las Vegas, yeah, of course I knew what the Eiffel Tower was, but you gain an entire new appreciation for these buildings that are assimilated like the cities and countries that they're in when you actually go to these places before. Like I'm looking at everything right now in the Paris casino. So I've been to France now, I've been to Paris twice. So going to Paris a couple times, you have much greater appreciation. Much the same as in Caesar's Palace when I'm looking at the Spanish Steps. And I know the Spanish Steps in Rome, and I see Trevi Fountain in person and whatnot. So you know, when you see it in person, it gives you a much greater appreciation. It's like I have a much greater appreciation for this. I'm looking at the designs and everything, like that sign right there. Like some of these signs look like the Paris Metro. Like everything in here is just like Paris, but if you've never been to Paris, you don't appreciate it as much. I appreciate it a lot more because I've been to Paris now twice. See, look right there on my left, the Arc de Triomphe. Before I went to Paris, that probably would have meant nothing to me, but now I know the Arc de Triomphe in person. It's like, wow, makes it a lot cooler. I like to let the natural sounds play on my video when you're gonna hear it, but some of it's gonna be edited and cut out because when they play music, you know, they demonetize that on YouTube. I can't have anyone's song playing in the background because earlier I did a video and Cher was playing in the background. That's gotta come out. Could've got some Chick-fil-A.
That door's still open.
I get the feeling a lot of people get tattoos in Las Vegas at 3 o'clock in the morning. It's not quite 3 in the morning right now, but yeah, at 3 in the morning and they regret it later in life. Especially if you come with a significant other, you're probably like, let's get matching tattoos. Yeah, remember that when you're 50. And that's all, folks. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I ask that you please hit the like, please hit the subscribe button. Help us to grow as a travel community. Remember, live today, grow today. Tomorrow is never guaranteed. Peace!